Upon entering the home here, you walk into this beautiful living room with open floor plan all the way across to your kitchen, dining room. And on this side of the house, the split, it actually has the primary bedroom along with a den. Let's go check it out. And this is the primary bedroom. As you can see, beautifully designed, crown molding on the ceiling, recessed lighting throughout, plenty of room for all your furniture needs, and you have a beautiful view out your back with the covered lanai. Let's go check out the primary bathroom. And on your way, you actually have two walk-in closets on both sides. And this is your primary bathroom with a very large dual sink, quartz countertop, water closet, shower in the corner here, and beautiful soaking tub. And this is the covered lanai. Beautiful area out here, plenty of room for your furniture, electric above, so you have two fans out here. And if you're like me, you'll like one of these. You got one of these comfy seats that's hooked up to the ceiling. You can enjoy the beautiful outdoors. And another thing I love about this house, the primary suite has its own exit, and for the split floor plan, they actually, from the kitchen, you have your own exit as well. So you don't have to interfere, you can kind of go out your own way. And leaving the covered lanai, this is your kitchen. A very beautiful, large kitchen. A massive kitchen island with quartz countertop. I love the black hardware for the sink and the stainless steel appliances here. Large walk-in closet. And another feature I really love about this kitchen is obviously this vent is very clean looking because it's brand new, but I love this backsplash tile, bluish gray tile going with the countertop and cabinets. Beautiful. And right off in the kitchen, before we head into the bedrooms, let's show you this gathering room. Very well lit in here, from the recessed lighting and the wiring for a chandelier or fan, and these very large windows looking at, hopefully you have a beautiful view in your back, look over like this pond view, but letting in all that natural light. Beautiful. Let's go check out those bedrooms. And this is the other side of the house. These are two of the other three bedrooms. Let's check out the first of the three. And this is one of the three bedrooms on the side of the home. You have a standard sized closet, two side facing windows, recessed lightings, and a large fan. And making your way down to the bathroom, you actually have a linen closet right here. And this is the bathroom that is shared between both these two bedrooms. And actually it has easy access from the gathering room coming this way. Let's check out that other bedroom. And this is the other bedroom. As you can see, this is another option you could do. Doesn't have recessed lighting in here, but it does have the wiring for where a fan would go or a light fixture like this. It has a single window on the side instead of two, comparable in size to the other one. Let's go check out the front bedroom. And this is the front of the three bedrooms on this side of the home. Very comparable in size to the other two. Has a one side facing window, same size closet as the other two, and it has its own ensuite bathroom. This would be a great in-law suite. And this bathroom has its own single sink with a mirror, step down shower, so you don't have to worry about water leaking over. And it has its own linen closet. And leaving this bedroom, you actually had this nook, which leads to four spots. You have the dining room, the kitchen, the in-law suite, and the laundry room to the two-car garage. For anyone that has a kitchen item that you only use a couple times a year, you don't know quite where to put it in your kitchen, you actually have your own cabinets right here, above and below. Let's check out the dining room. And literally making our way full circle around the house, we are in the dining room in the front of the house, to the living room, and right to the front door. We hope you enjoyed the tour of the Lancaster model here in Avon Park, about an hour and a half south of Orlando. This will be built in Sebring as well, and all throughout Polk County in vacant lots and select communities. So if you have any questions about this home or anything real estate, reach out to our team. Look forward to being your trusted real estate advisors.